As the train moved toward the station, everything seemed like an ordinary day. But suddenly, a cow appeared on the tracks. The train's driver honked the horn, trying to scare the cow away. However, the cow remained on the tracks as if nothing had happened. The train approached quickly. It was too late to stop, and the inevitable happened. A highway surrounded by trees. Suddenly, a deer leaps onto the road. The driver tries to stop, but the accident is inevitable. The clash between nature and man-made roads claims a life. To prevent such accidents, we must be more cautious and support wildlife conservation measures. Every life is precious. Another highway, another tragedy. Once again, a deer suddenly leaps onto the road. Despite the driver's best efforts, they cannot stop, and sadly, the outcome remains the same.
In February 1922,
A city street becomes the stage for an unexpected moment. As a car calmly moves forward, a deer suddenly leaps onto the road. The driver slams on the brakes, but the deer makes an incredible leap over the car, avoiding the collision. This time, the encounter between nature and the human-made world ends in a miracle. Did you notice? These types of accidents are remarkably similar. In the United States, approximately 1 million wildlife vehicle collisions occur every year. As a result of these accidents, around 200 people lose their lives, and about 26,000 are injured. Additionally, millions of animals, especially deer, raccoons, squirrels, bears, and bobcats, lose their lives or are severely injured in these collisions. Wildlife overpasses, tunnels, and warning signs are crucial measures to reduce these tragedies. Protecting every life is a shared responsibility for both humans and animals.
Damn it, Paul! I told you I was slowing down for it! Fuck! Whoa! Oh, dear. Oh, shit! Where? There's another one. Paul! Damn it, Paul! I told you!
This accident, too, could have been prevented if the driver had noticed the deer approaching and had been more attentive. Wildlife warning signs should be placed in these forested areas. While such warnings are present in many places, it is always better to remain cautious in forested regions where such signs are absent.
400.
oh, oh,
That's gonna look good on camera.
oh man,
400.
If the driver hadn't braked in time in these images, the deer would most likely have been injured. Once again, in a forested area, a deer steps onto the road. It narrowly squeezes between two cars, making its way to the other side. Lucky this time, it survives. Nature always carries the risk of danger, but this deer gets another chance at life.
Yes.
A car traveling on a forest road encounters an unexpected situation while navigating a sharp curve. Suddenly, a bear appears in the middle of the road. The driver doesn't have enough time to react. The car hits the bear, sending it forward. Such accidents can cause severe injuries or even death, especially for large wildlife like bears. Bears often venture onto roads in search of food or while moving between territories. Therefore, adhering to speed limits and staying vigilant in these areas is critically important. A deer walking along the roadside suddenly steps onto the road and collides with a passing car. Such accidents pose serious risks to both animals and humans. Being cautious in wildlife areas is crucial to prevent these incidents.
That wasn't good.
In the darkness of the night, a car is driving along the road. Suddenly, a deer appears in the headlights. Before the driver has time to brake, the car hits the deer.
Stupid cocksucking
Such accidents
motherfucking
become
deer.
more frequent as wildlife ventures onto roads at night. Being cautious, especially when driving through forested areas at night, is crucial to preventing these tragedies. Deer herds, especially during the early morning and evening hours, may venture onto roads, leading to accidents. Deer typically cross roads in search of food, migration, or other natural needs. Since they move in groups, when one deer crosses the road, others may follow, making accidents more severe. Every year in the United States, approximately 200 people die in deer-related accidents, while many animals also lose their lives in these collisions. To prevent such accidents, measures like wildlife bridges, tunnels, and warning signs are recommended. Drivers can reduce these accidents by adhering to speed limits and driving carefully, especially in forested areas.
Holy Holy with a deer. Oh my god.
If you've watched until here, you must have noticed how similar these accidents are. We must be more cautious to prevent such accidents. Remember, living in harmony with nature and wildlife is a shared responsibility. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.